Welcome to episode 2 of the Dev Vlog. So this week, progress has been made around the mood report and activity. Some of the hurdles I've had to overcome are integration with HealthKit. I really struggled to determine whether a user had given full access to HealthKit or not. Maybe it was just me, but one of the things I found was every time I tried to check the authorization status of HealthKit, it always said denied. I did a bit of research and I found that people were saying that it's due to privacy, it's some privacy thing. How accurate that is, I don't know. But that's one of the things I had to overcome. And seeing as I'm only going to be counting steps for the activity on first version, I decided to use CoolMotion's pedometer. And pedometer gives me enough information such as flights climbed, steps, distance covered. So I'm fully covered with all the things that I need for the first version of me. I've also introduced the mood report. Mood report is an area where you can provide how you're feeling for that particular day. One viewer on Devlog episode 1 asked me about VoiceOver. Would the app be supporting VoiceOver? Absolutely yes, from version 1. I'm going to make that a priority. I want everyone to be able to use this app. There's also support for dynamic type, and that will also be throughout the app. There's a few bugs in the VoiceOver at the moment, but we'll iron them out as we go. I'm now going to head into a quick demo of the progress I've made this week. So this is your Me pin board, and from here you'll have access to key areas within the app. The area I've been working on mostly this week is the activity and mood section. Within activity and mood, you're able to see your steps, your distance covered, and the number of flight stairs. So I haven't set a mood for today, so I'm feeling okay today. It's instantly updated. I'm using Swift data to store all information, and I can go back and look at previous days. I'm going to improve this calendar. So yesterday I felt tired, and Sunday I felt happy. The activity updates based on the date that you're picking from the calendar. Another area of interest is downtime. Not much has been covered with downtime, but the intention here is so that you can track all these categories you can see on screen now. So apps, audiobooks, books, TV shows, movies, podcasts, and music. You can find areas of interest and make a note of them, so the app will remind you later that you have something to watch, listen to, etc, etc. The search UI is done, but it's not hooked up to any APIs yet. So like I said previously in the vlog, in episode 1, someone asked about VoiceOver and would I be supporting it, or you should support it because it makes life easier, and I 100% agree with that comment. So this is where we're at with VoiceOver currently.
VoiceOver on. Welcome back, Phil. Your Me pinboard looks like this. Activity and mood. Review button. Steps 459. Slightly smiling face. Today I'm feeling okay. Edit mood button. Review button. Tap to review past moods and other activity information. Today. Mood. Slightly smiling face. I feel okay. Activity. Steps 459. Distance 0.28 kilometers. Flights climbed 1.
So as you can tell, there's a few tweaks that I still need to add, but it's work in progress. And that's the progress that's been made this week on me. There's been a few hurdles I've had to overcome, especially around VoiceOver, and the HealthKit thing really chewed into my time, trying to overcome that issue with denied permissions being shown all the time when checking authorization status. And like everyone that's trying to get a side project off the ground, trying to juggle family life, time with the kids, and working 9 to 5, or in my case 9 to 6, is very difficult. And as the project progresses, I'll probably find ways to handle the work life and squeeze the project in as well, even if it's just work and project. If I find a solution on how to balance it all out, I'll do a video on what I'm doing, and hopefully it might help someone else. But in regards to the Devlog episode 2, that's all I've got for you today. I'll see you in the next one.